Christy, go. Go, go, go.
It's just a little pony. It won't bother.
Attention, Texas Roadhouse. Very special birthday over here. This cowgirl's name is Christy. She's turning 29 tonight.
49.
Here in Texas Roadhouse, we don't bake cakes, we ain't cut steaks. So on the count of 3, I need your loudest, proudest, Texas size happy birthday. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday! She's mortified. How was that?
I got humiliation.
Everybody on the Waitress YouTube channel. My name is Isaiah. I'm having lots of fun watching everybody skate today. So this is my first vacation and I am having so much fun. Woohoo! So I am being such a good boy and I'm trying to eat my blanket. No, no, no. Okay. Say bye-bye everybody. Nice to meet you. Wait, oh. Bye-bye.
Todd. Oh gosh. It's been pouring all day long and we ice skated. Babe, did you have fun ice skating?
Yep.
Yeah, I totally did fall. I don't know if they caught it on video, but they were videoing us. Look at the, you can see like it's like really foggy up there. It's poured all day, so we couldn't do anything outside. We're gonna go to a trampoline park. We had to change. I'm already fine though. Oh my god, here he goes. He's gonna scream and cry. Because anytime Tyler has them, he screams. He's so cute. Hey buddy. You want to do the Ninja Warrior course? Do you want to do the Ninja Warrior course?
Where's it at?
Babe, are you dying?
Where's it at? Where's it at?
It's right over there. We could race. Oh God. I'm dying. I'm officially sweating to death. Babe, are you not dying yet? Huh?
Pretty hot.
You're sweating. I think it's over there.
Oh my God! I think you go! Go, go, go! Woo!
If you don't mind. My arms are shaking now. I gotta show Tyler. Yeah. You have to go fast or it's like impossible. What you doing? Can you believe I made it? You can't believe?
Yeah.
I don't know. Ricky said there's some sort of wall over here that we need to do. Oh my god, guys. I can't slide because I'm too sweaty. Oh my god, that is so fast. Oh, the wall. You didn't get the high one? It's so fast. It's so fast. It's so fast. I like feel it. It's like a plop.
Tower, get the big wall. I want to see the big one. Oh, yeah. Tower, can you do the big one? Have you done it, Rick? Nah, I got the one to the left. You got it that time. Tower, do the big one. I want to see you get the big one. You can do it. Come on, Tyler. Do it, big one. I'm gonna do it. There you go, go.
Oh no.
Well, you just need a little bit more momentum.
Go. Oh god, oh god.
Oh, go, 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 go. Go, Tyler.
Go, Tyler!
Go, Tyler.
No, you cheated! You cheated!
Go! That's about you can do that, right? That gives you something to go for. You can do that. You can do that one. Go, Dad. You can do it.
We are sampling moonshine. We're gonna take 12 shots.
Is this your first time doing it?
No.
So what's your favorite?
Patty's Mayhaw.
Tyler just wants to sample.
I don't know.
And we're just watching.